Hey everyone, Ravindra Babu Ravula here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about building long-term wealth and securing your financial future. I'm going to break down my top 8 investment ideas for 2024. Whether you're just starting out or looking to diversify your portfolio, these strategies can help you achieve your financial goals. So, grab a notebook, let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the golden rule of investing diversification. Think of it like this. You wouldn't put all your money into a single stock, would you? The same principle applies to your entire investment portfolio. Diversification means spreading your money across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even things like gold. Why is this so important? Because different asset classes perform differently under various market conditions. When one asset class is down, another might be up, which helps to balance out your returns and reduce your overall risk. Remember, diversification is key to weathering those market storms and coming out ahead in the long run. They say land is the best investment because they're not making any more of it. And you know what? They're right. Land is one of the most stable and enduring investments you can make. Land is a tangible asset, meaning you can physically touch it, and it has intrinsic value. This is something that cannot be said for many other types of investments. Unlike stocks or bonds that can fluctuate wildly, land tends to hold its value over time, especially in developing areas. As cities expand and populations grow, the demand for land increases, making it a valuable commodity. Plus, you can generate passive income by renting out your land or even building on it. Imagine owning a piece of land that you can lease to farmers, developers, or even for commercial use. The possibilities are endless. Of course, like any investment, there are risks to consider. It's important to be aware of the potential downsides. Property taxes, zoning laws, and the overall real estate market can all impact your returns. You need to stay informed about local regulations and market trends to make the most of your investment. But if you do your research and invest wisely, land can be a fantastic way to build long-term wealth and secure your financial future. It's not just about buying a piece of property, it's about making a strategic investment that can pay off for generations to come. So take the time to explore your options, consult with experts, and make an informed decision. Investing in land could be the key to unlocking a prosperous and secure future for you and your family. Let's face it, not everyone has a ton of money to invest up front. That's where systematic investment plans, or SIPs, come in. A SIP is like a disciplined savings plan for mutual funds. You choose a mutual fund that aligns with your financial goals, and then you invest a fixed amount of money on a regular basis, like monthly or quarterly. The beauty of SIPs is that they allow you to invest consistently without worrying about timing the market. When the market is down, you buy more units, and when the market is up, you buy fewer units. This strategy averages out your cost over time and helps you build wealth gradually. Chapter 4. Tax benefits under Section 80C. Keep more of your hard-earned money. Let's be real, nobody likes paying more taxes than they have to. That's where Section 80C of the Indian Income Tax Act comes in. This section allows you to claim deductions on various investments and expenses, which can significantly reduce your taxable income and ultimately, your tax liability. Some popular investments that qualify for deductions under Section 80C include Public Provident Fund, Employee Provident Fund, National Pension System, and even life insurance premiums. By taking advantage of these tax benefits, you can keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket and invest it towards your financial goals. Chapter 5. Term Plan Insurance. Protect your loved ones no matter what. Look, none of us like to think about the worst-case scenario, but it's important to be prepared. Life is unpredictable, and while we hope for the best, we must plan for the unexpected. That's where term life insurance comes in. It's a safety net that ensures your loved ones are financially secure even if you're not around to provide for them. A term plan is a type of life insurance that provides coverage for a specific period, typically 10, 20, or 30 years. During this term, you pay regular premiums to keep the policy active. If something were to happen to you during that term, your beneficiaries would receive a death benefit. This lump sum can be a lifeline for your family during a difficult time. This money can help your loved ones cover expenses like mortgage payments, education costs, and daily living expenses. It ensures that they can maintain their standard of living and focus on healing rather than financial stress. Term insurance is incredibly affordable, especially if you're young and healthy. The younger you are when you purchase a policy, the lower your premiums will be. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind, knowing that your family will be taken care of no matter what. Imagine the relief of knowing that your children's education, your spouse's well-being, and your family's future are secure. Beyond the financial security, term life insurance also offers emotional peace. It allows you to live your life fully, knowing that you've taken steps to protect those you love most. So, take the time to explore your options, speak with an insurance advisor, and choose a term plan that fits your needs. Your family's future is worth it. Remember, protecting your loved ones is a lifelong commitment. With term life insurance, you can ensure that commitment is honored no matter what life throws your way. Chapter 6. Commercial Space. Build your real estate empire. Investing in commercial real estate can be a fantastic way to generate passive income and build long-term wealth. Unlike residential properties, commercial spaces are leased to businesses, which often sign longer-term leases, providing a more stable income stream. Plus, commercial properties tend to appreciate in value over time, especially in prime locations. Of course, investing in commercial real estate requires a significant amount of capital, but the potential rewards can be substantial. If you're looking for an investment that can provide both income and appreciation, commercial real estate is definitely worth considering. Chapter 7. Stocks. Ride the wave of market growth. Now let's talk about stocks. Stocks represent shares in the ownership of a company and constitute a claim on part of the company's assets and earnings. Investing in the stock market can be a roller coaster ride, with prices going up and down in response to various factors, but it also has the potential for significant returns. Historically, stocks have outperformed other types of investments over the long term. When you buy stocks, you're essentially buying a small piece of ownership in a company. This means you become a shareholder and have a stake in the company's future. If that company performs well, its stock price goes up, and you make money. This is because the value of your shares increases. Of course, the opposite is also true. The stock market is unpredictable, and prices can fall just as easily as they rise. If the company doesn't perform well, its stock price could go down, leading to a decrease in the value of your investment, and you could lose money. This is why it's important to be prepared for the ups and downs of the market. That's why it's crucial to do your research, understand the companies you're investing in, and stay informed about market trends. Invest in companies you believe in, those with strong fundamentals and a solid track record, and diversify your stock portfolio. Diversification helps spread risk by investing in a variety of assets. A good rule of thumb is to allocate around 25% to 50% of your savings to stocks, depending on your risk tolerance and investment timeline. Younger investors might lean towards a higher percentage, while those nearing retirement might prefer a more conservative approach, depending on your risk tolerance and investment timeline. Remember, investing in stocks is a long-term strategy. Patience and discipline are key to riding the wave of market growth successfully. Chapter 8. Gold. The ultimate safe haven asset. Gold has been a store of value for centuries. It's a tangible asset that's universally recognized and has historically held its value, especially during times of economic uncertainty. When inflation is high, the value of paper money tends to decrease, but gold often acts as a hedge against inflation, meaning its value tends to rise. You can invest in gold in several ways, including buying physical gold, investing in gold ETFs, or even investing in gold mining companies. While gold may not generate the same high returns as stocks or real estate, it's a valuable addition to any diversified portfolio as a way to preserve wealth and protect against market volatility. Outro: invest smart, live wealthy. So there you have it. My top 8 investment ideas for 2024. Remember, building wealth takes time, patience, and a solid strategy. Diversify your investments, do your research, and don't be afraid to seek professional advice if needed. Most importantly, start investing today, no matter how small the amount. The sooner you start, the sooner you can start building a more secure financial future for yourself and your loved ones.